with the jurisdiction of managing water resources and the provision of clean water, reliable and good quality water supply to Zanzibar. We have our vision. The vision of Water Authority now, starting with this year, is to become a leading water service provider in the region that addresses the socio-economic needs of the society for sustainable development. And that is our main aspiration. The mission, what we are doing, is to support socio-economic development through provision of accessible, affordable, and quality water services in a modern, sustainable way, and also environmental friendly manner within Zanzibar. So water sources, we need to have a water sources. Where are we going to get that water? Our main water sources in Zanzibar is from groundwater, which it appears naturally from springs, from boreholes, which have to drill boreholes of wells, and also from caves we have here in Zanzibar. How to get it is through drilled boreholes and hand-dug wells. Currently, we have about 303 operation boreholes, 172 in Unguja and 131 in Pemba. And also we have 5 main springs are working now, 2 are in Unguja and 3 in Pemba. And also we have 3 main caves in Unguja. Comparison of two is formed by 2 main islands, that is from Pemba and Unguja. And you have a total area of 2,508 square kilometers. We have a population of about 1.7 million and is located 5 to 6 degrees south of equator, 40 kilometers east coast of Africa. What we are doing now, we have water production we have 5 regions in Zanzibar, that is in Unguja and Pemba, 2 in Pemba and 3 in Unguja. What we are producing now, at least we can say we have average of 55% of water produced. And that table shows different water produced into different regions. And at the end, we are producing at least, we can estimate, is 131,812 liters per day, which is only 55% of water required by all 2 islands. So in that case, we have a deficit of about 45% of water to the community. For that case, we have formulated a long-term strategies from 2021 to 2025. We need to make sure that we aspire to make sure that we have water produced 100% to the community. So water demand should be the same with the water produced. Maybe water produced should be higher than what the water demand. And also we have to reduce the non-revenue water we have from the whole population to make sure that the whole households are connected with meter. So meter ratio should be 100% and coverage 100%. And also we need to have a very quick response if there is a leaks or burst of the pipe, or at least within 6 hours, to make sure that we resolve the problem of leakage within the place. So percentage samples, supplied water passing bacterial and physical quality. Also, we need to make sure that we have a proper laboratory with the equipment which you can make sure that all water supply to the community are clean and safe. So also we need to take care of our customers. So customer care response should be maybe within 4 hours they get the problem to be solved, and also at least to have handle the customer complaint at least 85% by 2025. So that is our long-term strategy. However, we have that long-term strategy. We have a number of challenges facing at the moment. First of all, as I said, we have about 303 boreholes. All of them need electricity to run the boreholes. So we have a high operation cost of electricity, about 600 million, that is monthly. And also we have power fluctuations, sometimes power off, power on, also it makes damage to the pumps and other infrastructure. Inadequate alternative sources of power, we only use electricity at the moment. High rate of non-revenue water, uncountable water due to lack of advanced technology such as supervisor control and data acquisition, that is SCADA system in the water infrastructure, and distribution system as well. So So another challenge, we have insufficient working capital, that is not enough fund to buy water equipment when they're needed, like pumps, pipes, fitting, and water material, and water meters, depletion of boreholes sometimes, such as if there is no alternative sources such as rainwater harvesting and desalination have not used, we only rely on the boreholes in those caves in the spring. And sometimes you have natural disaster, inadequate training to the staff, high demand of clean and safe water, shortage of storage tanks, and existing are old. So in order to have a proper water distribution to the community, we need to have at least a reservoir, enough reservoir which water can be reserved and then distributed to the community. So in most cases we find we have a direct pumping from the boreholes up to the community. So if there is a power fluctuation or that maybe the power is not available at that time, so the community does not get enough water. They don't get water for that because it is connected directly from boreholes to the community. So in that case, we have set a medium-term priority. This is between 2021 to 2024. That is to strengthen of water resources management. In this case, to strengthen management of water abstraction, water resources, conservation initiative, and rainwater harvesting, improving your water service provision by improving water infrastructure, reliability of water services, reduction non-revenue water, undertaking and monitoring of water supply projects and water quality, improving of commercial and customer services. In this case, we are going to increase the current customer and the revenue, enhance credit control mechanism, and customer satisfaction. Enhancing of financial sustainability by enhancing collection and management of funds and sound financial management practice. Also to strengthen the institution capacity by training, visibility marketing, and promotion of ZAWA services. So the way forward now, the way forward, first of all, is to make sure that at least we have integrated water management system, so as we can monitor the water we are producing up to the end, from the production point up to the point of bills to the customer. And also to have a capacity building to the ZAWA staff and maintenance and repair of the infrastructure, so as to reduce and minimize those leaks and burst of the pipe after time to time. And also building of 4 main water scheme. This is from our investigation, we have seen that there is a immediate need of at least having 4 schemes. When we are talking about scheme, is to have a proper enough boreholes and also to have a storage tank in which it can save more than 3 or 5 villages. And that one, at the moment, we are very much in need of these 4 schemes, which are 2 in Pemba and 2 in Unguja. And after that, we have started a very good cooperation with our friend from Germany. And this we are expecting to get maybe funds from which it can assist us to help on the repairing and maintaining of the infrastructure, but also for those 4 schemes we are talking about. This is picture just to show the way we are working together with our friends here. We have several meetings in German embassy and also here in Zanzibar. And now we are here listening what we are supposed to do, what we can do together. And also at the moment we have a project going on about $92.18 million is from the Exim Bank loan. So that one also, it can assist us to solve the problem, at least to get what we have shortened by 2014. Thank you very much for listening.